morning, travelers. So you guys saw that we went to the end of the world earlier, so we are now going to go to another location. We're back in Lagos and we're going to Ponta da Piedade, and we're so excited to see it here because again, it's picturesque, everything is beautiful here, so you really can't go wrong wherever you go, but we're just so excited to see it. And it's only about a 20-minute walk from our hotel, which is super nice, so we're gonna go ahead and head out now. Making our way
downtown, walking fast, faces.
And homebound. Did
I say pace? Did I say pace? I may have messed up.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces past. And I go, okay, we're dumb. Looks like we're going the right direction.
That's always good.
Yes. Wow, look at all. Alright guys, we made it to the boardwalk of Ponta da Piedade and we are so excited to be here. We are going to walk along the coast and try to go down a little bit and see what all we can see, but again, this is just a beautiful coastline with like the amazing rock formations, so we're really excited to be here. Oh my gosh guys, is this not absolutely amazing? I am in love with this view. You have to come here if you come to Lagos, or if you just come to the ALGARVE region in general. I just feel like I'm like floating on the air. Like, this is amazing. Look at this view. You cannot beat it at all. We just made it back from our Ponta da Piedade. We are now heading to town to eat a quick lunch, and then we are getting on a boat tour, and we're so excited to see what this boat tour is and like where we go, what we see, all the good things. After our boat tour, we're gonna head down to a couple other beaches in Lagos. We have our bathing suits on, so we're really hoping that we can get into the water at some point today. We'll keep you updated, but we're really excited for our boat tour. All right, we are sitting in the little square in Lagos. I'm drinking this drink and she's eating an apple. And we're just hanging out for a little bit before our boat tour and just enjoying the sights and sounds and smells and all the things while we wait. Cheers, friends. Alright travelers, we just got back from our boat tour. It was so much fun. It started to get a little windy, so it was like so crazy, but also so much fun. I do highly suggest getting on the water in some capacity, whether that's swimming, kayaking, going on a boat, whatever it is. It's just so cool to see the landscape from the water, and honestly it's just so gorgeous. There's so many caves that you don't like get to see unless you're on the water, and I just thought it was really cool and definitely so much fun. So I highly suggest doing something like that. I'll put the tour company that we went with down below if it's something that you'd be interested in. But right now we're back at the hotel putting on some suntan lotion and kind of getting spruced up a little bit, and we are heading back out to a beach. This beach is right outside of our hotel, so pretty close by. We're really excited to see it and spend a little bit of time there. Watching the view, and wow, absolutely stunning. I just can't get over it. Alright friends, we are sitting down at Don Sebastião. It is right in the middle of Lagos, and we're just enjoying sitting here in town and watching people, and we're just ordered food. Casey got mussels and I got steak, so we're really excited to eat it because we're so hungry. So yeah, I'll show it to you when it gets here. Good morning everyone, here's this beautiful view. Wow. Let me just show you really quick. That view is just absolutely stunning. We are heading back to Lisbon this morning, so unfortunately we're saying bye to Lagos. It was absolutely beautiful here. Everyone was so wonderful and nice, and I definitely see myself coming back here someday, maybe bringing Jamie and doing a beach vacation when it's quite a bit warmer, even though I definitely got some sun. But it was so beautiful. But we're super excited to spend our last day in Lisbon as well, just to see all the things that we didn't get to see the first couple days. So we are hopping on an early train this morning and heading back. But if you guys liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely follow me on Instagram so you can see my day-to-day life a little bit more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye and happy travels.